Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find post, video and photo you like on Facebook. So simply at first open your Facebook. This method will work in Android and iOS device. Press onto menu or three line. As you can see, showing you to settings and privacy. Press on to settings. Scroll down and you just find here to activity log. Just tap on and showing it to your Facebook activity. Just press on this arrow option, then you get this interface. Okay, press on three line, showing it to like and reaction. Then showing it to my all liked post, video or story or everything showing here. You just easily check out. So just filter like and reaction, date all time, showing it to date and time once I'm like this photo, video or reels. Okay, if you want to customize from here, if you want to delete, select all or one by one to deselect, or press on to remove, and now remove this. So that's it.